Hello, welcome to Concrete Leaves. We're going to make a concrete leaf today over the top of a real leaf that you're going to find somewhere in your yard, hopefully. But before we start, a couple things to be aware of. One is you may want to wear some elastic gloves like are around these days. They help protect your hands from the liminess of the concrete, which can be a little irritating sometimes. And the other thing is you want to have a stick to stir if you're not using your hands, if you didn't have gloves. And you're going to want to make sure you have some sort of base to put your leaf on while you're working. I have a pizza box lid here. Those work great because it's going to have to stay on that leaf while it's drying for the first couple days. So to get started, you're going to take your leaf and you're going to lay it on your cardboard face down. So the back is going to be up and it's going to have all these good veins, so it makes a good impression. So let's get our mixture together. That's an important thing. You want to get just the right combination of water and sand concrete. So we're going to take, for starters, for about this size of a leaf, about a 6-inch square leaf, we're going to do 1 cup each of sand and 1 cup of the Portland cement, named after the Isle of Portland in Dorset, England, by the way, not named after our Portland, Oregon. Fun fact. So we put those in another bucket here. I'm going to get my stick and stir that up first before we put any water in. So we have 2 cups here. We want a 1/2 cup of the water. So we'll get a 1/2 cup here. I'll start, I won't put it all in just to make sure it comes out right. We don't over liquefy it. I'll leave a little out and we'll stir this around and see how it looks. I think that's looking pretty dry. You want it to be not crumbly. It's got to stick together when you ball it up, but not fluid. You don't want it to be runny. So I can tell I can probably put the rest of this water in here. It doesn't look that bad, actually. Well, you want to make sure you stir it from the bottom of the bucket. That's really important. It's easy for the sand to get stuck down there, and you're not really incorporating all of it into the mixture. So you want to be able to see the bottom of your bucket when you're stirring. You don't want a layer of sand down there. That looks really good. You see how that sticks together? It's sort of like whipped cream. It holds a peak. All right, I think we did it. So now we're going to put our concrete mixture on the leaf and spread it around. We're going to start from the middle, the stem here of the leaf. Just going to lay it down a layer like that. We probably want to shoot for close to a 1/2 inch, maybe a 1/4 inch, maybe something between a 1/4 inch and a 1/2 inch for this size of a leaf. 1/2 inch is probably more than we need. Bigger leaves, you don't want it too skinny. It's more likely to break or chip off the edges. And so we're going to spread that out. You want to keep the edge of the leaf pretty clean because you don't want anything sticking off the edge of it. So we're pushing that right up to the edge. Press from the outside. You know, this looks like I've got plenty on the inside that can get pushed out to the borders. Keep our edges clean without the concrete going over. Leave this on the base for about 48 hours before you want to touch it or turn it over, and let it finish drying for actually as long as a month it takes to fully cure and get it to full hardness. And after your leaf has been molded here, you can put your initials on the back if you like, because that is the back of the leaf here, don't forget. No one will see that when you display it. You can leave it plain like the examples I have, or you can paint it. If you like a little bit more of a bowl effect on your leaf, you can place some balled up grass or something underneath it and just put the leaf over that and push it down, and then you're going to put your concrete over the top of that like this, and it'll create an indentation that will be like this when you're finished. Okay, thanks for joining me for the concrete leaves. I hope you enjoy making yours, and we'll see you around.